folks, welcome to campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Crusader Lite 29BB. So this is a great little bunk model for the family, easily half-ton towable, and just a really great floor plan. So come on and check it out. We've got the high gel coat exterior, the turn-and-bind construction, which means every wall is laminated, very strong built coach. We'll just take a quick peek back here at the outdoor kitchen. So it's got a little outdoor kitchen with your barbecue, and you've got your fridge there as well. You see that nice shiny gel coat exterior, which is really nice. A lot of coaches don't have that quality of fiberglass. So we'll take a look at the slide out here. We've got a pull-out bed with a couch with a pull-out bed in it, and then you've got the dinette and lots of windows all the way around. And then you can see back here in the kitchen area, you've got lots of counter space, seamless countertops, undermount sink. You've got a large cooktop. This is the Furioff Chef Collection, large oven, so you can cook for everybody and whatever you want, just like at home. You've got a large microwave, nice backsplash, and you've got lots of storage all around the fridge area, gas electric fridge on there. And then here you've got storage, a nice big window, and then your TV is directly across from your couch. So this is a little different than a lot of the bunk model floor plans that you see. It's more open, there's more counter space, and it seats everyone. It's very comfortable to have the family all together here. And then we've got the bunk room in the back. So you can see here, you've got the storage for all the kids' clothes and everything, a spot for a TV. And then you've got your double bunks here in the back. So you've got your top bunk, which has a window, your middle bunk, and then your bottom bunk underneath. And underneath here you've got tons of storage for all kinds of stuff under there. So really great idea, a nice little separate room. And then over here we've got a little place where you put your coffee maker, your toaster, some extra storage there, almost like a hutch with some lighting as well. Really nice little spot. Washroom, large shower with a seat, tri-glass door, vanity, medicine cabinet, gas, electric, hot water. You've got lots of storage for all your stuff. And then the toilet. And then here in the bedroom, you've got your lighting all around the bedroom. There is a slide in the bedroom, even though the trailers still have ton towable. You've got a slide there for all of your clothes and everything. And then storage all around the bed and some great lighting as well. And a spot for a TV in the bedroom as well. So this is a nice new floor plan from Crusader. Half-ton towable bunk model available now. We say it's worth the hurdle to myrtle, so why don't you come on out and check out this 2020 Crusader Lite 29BB. Available now at Campkins. So come on out just north of Whitby on Highway 12 and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.